Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for September 15th. I'm Bill Newman. Today I'm solving Superstar by Bill Murphy. This is an XV Sudoku with a negative constraint. As you can see, there are no X's or V's, so we won't have to worry too much about what those mean. We can just read the rules as they're written, but we have normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9 in each row, column, and 3 by 3 box. Additionally, Bill got the wording backwards on this. It says cells in orthogonally adjacent digits. It should say digits in orthogonally adjacent cells, but they cannot sum to 5 or 10. Those would be our V and our X if we had any. And since we don't, these two digits, or these two digits, or these two digits cannot sum to 5 or 10. And those are the rules. And we're going to get started in the corners and on the edges. And see what we can do with that. One thing that is very common in these sort of forbidden pairs puzzles, I've heard them called, where you have pairs of digits that can't go next to each other, is if you have a triple and two of the digits in that triple can't go next to each other, then the third digit must go in the middle. So here, 1 and 9 can't go next to each other, so this must be an 8. And 4 and 1 can't go next to each other, so this must be 9 and 1. In this column, we have 3, 4, 7. The 3 and the 7 can't go next to each other. And we can't resolve the 3, 7 here. These are 1, 4, and 7. 1 and 4 can't go next to each other. Oh, wrong digit. And we can't resolve 1, 4 in the row, but we can with this one up here. And here we have 2, 3, 1. 2 and 3 can't go next to each other, so this is our 1. And the 2 can't go next to the 8. And that's going to resolve our 3, 7. So that's the edges of the grid done. Let's look at box 1 here. We need 1, 3, 6, and 9. 1 and 6 can't go next to 4, and 3 can't go next to 2, so this is a 9. 1 can't go next to the 9, and 3 can't go next to the 7. So that's going to resolve the whole box. Up here we have 1, 5, 7, 8. This can't be 1, 8. And the 1 can't go next to the 4, so this is our 1, 8 in that order. The 8 also couldn't go next to the 2. The 5, 7 is unresolved for now. Let's look at these cells, not 2, 3, 5, and 7. 3 and 7 again can't go next to each other, so this is 5. No problems with 3, 7 there. These are 2, 4, and 6. 4 and 6 can't go next to each other here, and the 4 can't go next to the 1. Alright, let's look at this box. These are 1, 3, 4, 8. These can't be 1, this can't be 3, this can't be 8 or 3 because of the 2. Yeah, because of the 2. I almost said because of the 2 and the 7, that didn't make any sense. But because of the 2, 3 would make 5, 8 would make 10, so this must be the 4. And then these are 1, 3, the 1 again can't go next to the 4. So those are done. These are 5, 6, 4. I typed 4. I typed the right digit. 4, 6, and 7. 4 and 6 again can't go next to each other. And the 1 can't go next to 4. These are 5, 8, and 9. Which are not going to be resolved. That's not 9, though. Alright, finally this box. 2, 4, 7, and 9. These are not 4 or 7. And the 2 can't go next to the 3. And then we have a 4 up at the top, so we'll just use that. These are 5, 8, 9 again. No restrictions on those. These are 1, 2, and 6. And this must be the 1 here. That means this is not 9. And I don't think we can do anything with the 2, 6 here yet. So let's go down here, 3, 5, 6. This can't be 6 next to the 4. This can't be 5 in the column. And this is unrestricted. This also can't be 3, so this is 6. Can't be 3 because it's 7 here. And these are 2, 8, and 9. The 2 and the 8 can't go next to each other. So those are done, and then the 3 here gives us 8 and 2. The 2 gives us 5 and 3, which gives us 3 and 7. Alright, just the middle band to go. These are 2, 5, and 9. That's not 2. That's going to give us a 5, 8, 9 triple. I'll go ahead and use that. The remaining digits are 4 and 7. These are 1, 3, which we can do. These are 6 and 8, which we can do because of 4. For some reason I had to type those in to be able to see that. That gives us our 2, 6. That places 2 here. 2 means this can't be 8, so it is 5. Place 9 here. This can't be 8 because of the 2, and that's going to resolve everything else. That's the solution. So, really nice example of a puzzle with a negative constraint. I really like that one a lot. It illustrates this triple thing very nicely all over the grid. So, I hope you enjoyed that. Let us know how you did in the comments, and I will see you next time.